guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Adek Trade, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I journal my trade using Telegram. Most of the trader out there use a subscription trade journal to trade, which they buy like a yearly subscription or a monthly subscription. But because I'm just a beginner trader and I don't have money to buy for the subscription, I actually use Telegram to journal my trade, and also it has been a very good experience to journal my trade on Telegram. Journaling your trade is very, very important in your trading, and it allows you to track all your trading, whether you've been good or bad. And if you have a losing streak, you can easily come back to your trading journal. And if you have a winning streak, you can see everything about your performance. And I'm going to be showing you how I journal my trade on Telegram. Right. So if you look at my screen right here, you will see that I actually take all my trades on my trading journal. This is my trading journal. I created a group for my trade, where I'll be putting every trade I take, if it's a loss trade, an entry trade, or a losing trade. I actually journal everything, like as if I am journaling it on a subscription site journal, right? So for instance, let's say I want to take a trade, or it's in the morning. I just greet myself good morning, like as if I'm talking to a community. That's how Telegram is so easy for me. I talk to this journal like as if I'm talking to a community, makes me build confidence when I am journaling my trade. So for instance, now I greet myself good morning, and maybe I saw this setup I'm expecting maybe on gold, and I just put it there. I just send it to my Telegram. I'm looking at this trade on XAUSD 4 hours time frame. I'm just going to post it there, then start looking for it, just like an easy way to journal your trade. Even anything you just want to see, Telegram makes it to be very, very good for anything you want to put in your trading journal. Be it like you saw a POI, you just saw it, you just want to put it. There are even some things you can do on all this trade seller, all this kind of journaling side, that you can actually put your what you are seeing in the market. But on Telegram, you can actually post anything you are seeing. Like for instance, now you want to take this trade, you can just post it there, and then you come back. If you want to take the entry, you just post your entry. Okay, I'm entering on gold this price from year to year. Put your stop loss, put your TP. That is what I actually do for now. I don't have a trade seller now. I can't buy the subscription, but I actually use Telegram, and it's easy, right? Anytime I'm on losing trade, I actually come back to my Telegram channel to look at how my past trade is, whether I'm on profit, whether what the entries I took when I was on winning streak, the losses, how I handle losses, and also my risk when I was on winning streak, so that I can bring me back. That is, if I don't want to use book to journal my trade, because using exercise books sometimes you might actually just misplace it, or you might be lazy to actually write down your journaling in a day. But using Telegram, it makes it more easier. You can just screenshot a chart, then just quickly go to Telegram, then post it on your chart. Very easy. It doesn't take much time. That's what I use for journaling on my Telegram, on this Telegram channel. You create a Telegram. You can do that as well. If you want to start trading, maybe you don't have money to buy TradeZella yet, or you find it, you're a kind of person that find it very, very difficult to write on book. You can just as well just create a Telegram channel. Just be posting your trade here. Any trade you take, your entry, your exit, your profits, your wins, anything, you can just post it on your Telegram channel. It's only you that you can add how many devices. If you want to make it feel, if you want to make it feel very excited, you can add maybe your brother phone or your sister phone, just to make it be excited, like as if you are talking to a real community. It makes it always feel good like that. So that is how I journal my trade on Telegram. Now, so let me show you how I take real entries. For now, I just look at this message I put now. Last week was a good week, filled with ups and downs, but was a good week overall. I thank God, no losses, but no loss overall, but no profit overall. So this actually allows me to, put my reviews on my trade. It allows me to just see everything I passed through last week. There was no loss. I just say they, like as if I'm talking to a real person. That's how Telegram makes me to journal my trade. I talk to Telegram as if I'm talking to a student. That's how good it is. And also, I I put my rules there. Like, this is the new rules I set for myself this week, and I promise to abide with it. You understand? I put every rules. Sometimes when you write a rule on paper, you might actually misplace it or forget it. But once it's there on Telegram, Telegram helps you. Like, you can actually come back to that rule. because I pinned my rule. So when you post a message like your rule and you don't want to forget about it, you want to adhere to that rules, you can just pin it on Telegram. Makes it very very easy. You can easily access it when you can access it when you need to go back to your rules and see maybe you followed your rules. You just go to the pinned message and you click it there, it automatically pops up. It feels easy on Telegram. For real, it feels easy. So that is how I journal my trade on Telegram. It feels easy, and you can post your charts, everything you see there, your coming and after trade, your running trade on MetaTrader 5, your overall trade on your Profim account, be it Equity Edge, Goat Funded, or anyone for fund trading pips or funding pips, anyone. You can just post it there. Post your anything you are looking out to maybe next week. You can even do a voice over, a face camera voiceover. There was a time I did a camera voiceover on my Telegram. Like, I was seeing a setup actually. I was kind of noticing something in the market, and I did a camera roll, like a voice camera roll, and actually I saw it, and I was like expressing myself like as if I was in a real community. And I saw that, and I took it next week, and it worked out perfectly fine for me. So I can easily go back to that camera roll because it's already stored in Telegram. It does not lost. You understand? So if you're a kind of person that always find it very difficult for you to write your journaling on paper, or it's always misplaced easily, Telegram is very very good for you. You can use Telegram for your journal.